Hello and welcome to the Mock Gourmet, where we discover how regular people can make sumptuous, mouth-watering dishes. I'm your mock chef, and today we'll be making Better Than Gordon-Ramsay's scrambled eggs. I'm sure Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs are delicious. These scrambled eggs are a flavor bonanza for your mouth. Stick around until the end and I'll give you a couple of more secrets to having a great breakfast. Now remember, part of what makes it better is you will be making it. All of the measurements are approximate, so feel free to adjust to your taste. So let's get started. We will be using 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of Thai chili flakes. This says powder, but I think that's just a mistranslation. They're flakes. Get hot, not super hot. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of MSG.
MSG is the king of flavor.
Chili powder is also the king of flavors, so if you run out of MSG, try chili powder. About a 1/2 teaspoon or more of dried minced onions, 2 teaspoons of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of peanut oil, and you guessed it, 2 teaspoons of butter ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use regular butter, but it will splatter. Finally, 1 click each of the like and subscribe buttons. Someone told me you should crack 2 eggs against each other. If you know how to crack the other egg, leave a note in the comments. Add the heavy cream and mayonnaise. I panicked a little bit because I forgot the spatula. Whip the eggs until smooth. Add the dry ingredients. Now we're going to set those aside to soak for a couple of minutes while we prepare the stove for cooking. Some people can't afford to cook with fire like Gordon Ramsay, so we're going to do the next best thing. Medium heat. Add the peanut oil. The ghee, swirl it around a little and then heat until it starts smoking a bit. Add the egg mixture. It could have been a little hotter, but that's okay. You just need to gently fold the eggs. You don't need to be splashing around like your Greg Louganis with a wooden leg. Ooh, look at me, I'm Gordon Ramsay cooking with fire. Just keep folding, keep folding. Keep in mind, the secret ingredients are the red chili flakes and the heavy cream. The sensation we're after is warmth and a little bit of heat, like your tongue is getting a massage on the wrong side of town. Don't break the eggs up too much while it's on the heat because we don't want to overcook the insides. That looks about right. Big plate. Add salt to taste. Bonus secrets. Don't put scrambled eggs on your toast. Get yourself some Thai sauté peanut sauce, warm it up a little bit, and use it as a dip for your toast. It will taste amazing. Search online for your nearest Thai market. Bake your bacon at 400 degrees for 20 minutes or so, depending on how thick it is and how crispy you like it. Bacon will keep just fine in the fridge. Just heat it up for a couple of seconds and you're good to go. Fresh coffee only takes a few seconds to grind and tastes way better than any of that prepackaged stuff. See you next time. Remember, don't forget your spatula and don't panic. Speak, Obo, speak. Good cat.